so I'm new here. Thanks to my BFF. Thanks to my BFF. Thanks to my BFF, Ike. Her YouTube channel is Ike too. So please go and follow her. Subscribe her. So today I'm playing Piggy with my two friends, Kayla and Nelson.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh my god, I found the orange. Oh my god! Wait, what?
I'll kill you. Oh my god, I'm soccer.
Is that you?
Yeah, I'm Piggy.
Piggy is Nelson. I found an orange key.
I'm gonna kill you.
Get the orange key.
Don't forget.
Don't kill me.
Yeah.
Don't kill me, guys, please.
Guys?
No thanks.
Hey.
If
Hello.
you kill me, I'm gonna kill you. Okay.
You need the blue key.
I found you. You're going to the basement.
No, please don't come!
You're dead.
No, stop it,
I'm
Nelson.
gonna do my hack.
Stop it, Nelson.
I can do hack from Piggy also.
You can do hack, but you cannot,
Yeah.
kill.
No hacks today. Leave a comment if you want to know how to do hacks.
Yeah.
And Nelson can teach you.
Yep.
And I found the code.
And I found the hammer.
Come downstairs.
Yeah, I guess.
One.
Go downstairs.
Me too. These. Come on, go in. Find the hammer.
Last time I got stuck in this vent.
And you cannot go out.
Yeah, and then I finally got unglitched. Oh my god, a purple key.
Yeah, get the purple key. I just need the red gear. And the green gear.
Where are these people?
Find the green gear.
Sorry, but I need to kill you.
Why?
I found this. The fixing thing.
I got a gun, so
It's
Nelson, don't mess up with me. And I found a bullet.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
What if you're like this? What if you're the downstairs? I will like come here and kill you.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
exit now.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna let you exit. No one is. No.
Ah, yes! Yes, sister.
Oh, she's stuck.
Yes, sister. Wait.
No.
Yo!
Why 20 seconds?
I'm so sorry.
No. You're dead. No. I
Yeah.
freaking hate you.
I'm so sorry.
You guys
Oh
are
my
dead. I'm
God.
putting traps all around.
But you can't do that, right?
I could.
Okay, next, what should we play?
I'm gonna
What?
kill you when I'm the piggy.
No!
If I get a gun, I'm gonna kill you.
I'm so smart.
Kill
No, nope. You can't do that.
TTOMG.
He's so mean.
He's doing that to you.
Kill you.
Let's do Outpost.
Wow.
Outpost or Carnival?
Carnival.
Carnival, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Carnival
And then
it
later the
is.
outpost. But
No,
it's so hard, you guys know. It's
Yeah.
like, it's so hard. Okay, whatever. Players.
Oh, legendary player and giant Lanada.
Oh my god. I didn't notice Legendary was like
Legendary player.
was
no.
like in the game.
Oh no.
He's my friend too.
Oh.
Okay, we're playing this. Oh my god, what happened? Okay.
So
Kill.
guys,
Okay.
she won't
I'm
kill us
coming
because
for
she
you.
hates those.
What?
She's the annoying girl.
Yeah, she's annoying.
No killing people.
Where are we?
Where are we?
You must. What? Oh, there. I just got confused. Oh yeah, take that. Take
I
it.
got the blue key.
I'm gonna try some of my hacks through this door.
Stop using hacks.
Don't use hacks, Nelson.
You're cheating, Nelson. Stop cheating,
Cheaters
Nelson.
are bad.
Cheater,
You know
cheater,
that, right,
Peter.
Nelson?
Oh,
Cheater,
I found the yellow
Peter.
key.
Get it there.
Oh my god. I found the orange
green
key.
Where do I put the yellow key?
Don't know.
Oh, I found the piggy. The piggy. The
You
piggy.
saw Piggy. You don't say you found the Piggy.
I saw the piggy.
Bad grandma, bruh.
Okay.
Okay, I have orange key and I found an orange door. And I found Foxy in the orange door.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no!
Wow, she plays a lot.
What?
This girl.
She's so good at it.
Which girl?
She plays a lot. She had the blue crab also. You know that?
What's her skin?
It's so good. It's a panda.
the plant one.
A panda?
No!
A pen. Nelson died. Panda?
No, kill.
I have a panda.
hate you.
Oh my god, I can glitch in here. I glitched once and I got it. Okay, no, I'm not gonna
Okay,
glitch.
stop killing us.
No glitching, guys.
I'm
Oh!
so scared.
Oh, I have that skin.
Oh, cool. I do not. I only have the clowny.
No, you have the memory. You have the memory.
I don't really want the memory. Why do you guys want memory?
I don't want memory.
At first you said you want memory.
Yeah, now I don't. Memory.
Oh my god, I found the panda. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try something. It's like kind of like a glitch.
You
Hello,
cannot
Candy.
hack.
Oh, she caught you.
Oh my gosh, I didn't notice.
She's so tricky.
Well,
You
sad.
should not know that. Here, I'll help you.
Okay, I'm gonna go to
I'll help you
shops
escape.
and see.
No.
Where is
It's going from the other side.
I'm gonna
Oh
see.
no, he's dead. Oh my god, legendary died.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, I was doing something. Okay. So there's Piggy, little brother, mother, father, grandmother, sheepy, panda, teacher, Mimi, Dino, Daisy. Oh, I think Daisy is a pony. I can buy Daisy. Angel, I have Angel Pony. Devil, I have Devil too. Doggy, Giraffe. What? Okay. Barry again. Foxy, Ellie. Soldier, I have Soldier. Zombie Pig, I have Badgie. Badgie is the panda with the laser beam. Bunny, Scaly, Clowny, which Kayla have, which is better than me. Tiger.
I feel like I'm doing everything.
Okay, Tiger,
Be careful.
Paradise, Paradise, Zizzy, Robbie, Robbie from Netflix, Billy, and Torture Cat. I'm gonna go back. Okay, the purple key, the purple key place is in the blue door spot. The card there, yeah. You have a gun. There's a gun in it, and the bullet on the side. Wow. Okay, don't take it out. Maybe you should get. You can accidentally. Yes. Where is the key card? Oh yeah, great.
I wish I could skip.
Can you like?
I'll tell you if he can move.
Okay, guys.
He's still not moving.
Still not moving.
He can move now.
Right,
Yes.
girl, right. Running! Yes! Oh, hi. Kayla, look. Hi. Hi. Okay.
I finally win.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to end this. So I hope you guys enjoy it, And make sure to subscribe, like, and share. When you like, I hope you can. For the today's like, I hope you can make it a 5. I will be very impressed. 5 likes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, bye guys!